Let me show you how to make this text effect in Adobe Photoshop. First type the words and go to Layers panel and select Text Layer, and right-click the text layer and convert to Smart Object. Then, copy the layer and bring it to the bottom of the first layer. Then select the copied layer and make them group. And select the copied layer and double-click the layer and click Gradient Overlay and copy the settings. Then select the main layer and reduce opacity to 0 and fill to 0. And then select to another copied layer and double-click the layer and click Bevel and Embossies and copy the settings. And select the contour and copy the settings. And select Color Overlay and copy settings. Then select the main layer and copy the layer and bring it to the bottom and make opacity to 100 and fill to 100. And double-click their layer and select Bevel and Embossies and copy the settings. Then select Stroke and copy the settings. And make another copy of it and double-click the layer and select Contour and copy the settings. Then, and select second group layer, and hold Ctrl plus Alt plus down key, and make 20 copies. Then select the main layer, and copy the layer and nom it as shadow. And double-click the layer, and copy the settings. That's it. The design is ready. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel for more designs.